Yesterday I forgot to record. Yeah. Now tell me.
The question which you asked, that what are the qualities to be a good banker, or like what is the role of credit officer in a bank, or like any kind of that question. So
Hmm.
can we directly put up the points in cut short words, like using the words like analytical skills, problem solving skills, good communication skills, or uh, should we explain in lines
No, no.
thoroughly?
Initially, you will tell only the qualities like good communication skill, good problem solving skill, but they will tease you by asking, can you tell us on which occasions you have demonstrated, um, what is that? We have demonstrated leadership skill. They will ask you.
Yes. Yes, sir. And with that, like I have mentioned that skill, can I also add that point that when I acquire that skill and how I am good at that skill? Should I also add that line, or just the skills
Yeah.
which is required for that particular thing?
No, no. You tell them what are the skills required first. They will ask you, or tell us the instances where you have demonstrated that skill. Are you now seeing on the screen
Yes,
strong?
sir, we can see.
Yeah. Uh, sh- um, who are all there who are not speaking? We will make them speak. Our Supriya, you have joined recently today. Supriya, you are from which state?
So I am from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. What is the degree you have done?
So Bachelor of Arts.
Bachelor of Arts in which subject? Economics?
No, sir, general.
जनरल का मतलब?
हाँ, जनरल सर, मतलब ज्यादा इंक्लाइंड इकोनॉमिक्स के सब्जेक्ट थे, बट जनरल ही स्पेसिफिकेशन है उसका, मतलब जनरल ही बोल सकते हो उसको। ये डिग्री पर तो वो ही मेंशन करके आया है, स्टडी के पर्पज से मैंने वो किया है, उसके बाद
तब
एमबीए
क्या क्या पढ़ा
किया है।
है? डिड यू रीड पॉलिटिकल साइंस और
यस सर, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, इकोनॉमिक्स एंड हिस्ट्री।
हाँ ये बोलना है. दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Economics girl, please read what is given on the screen.
सॉरी
Are you seeing on the
सॉरी सर।
screen?
स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोडक्ट नॉलेज,
हाँ.
deposits, understanding of savings, current, recurring, and fixed deposit products, and loans.
ये भी पढ़ो ना.
Hello. वो नीचे, okay. Ability to explain features such as interest rates, tenures, penalties, tax implications, example, TDS and benefits, sweeping facility.
Sweep in facility means, see, whenever a person has got a current account, he will give instruction. As and when my account comes to 10 lakhs, please transfer that money to fixed deposit so that he can get interest. So that is the thing. Okay. Or when it comes to 10 lakhs, please transfer 7 lakhs from that to fixed deposit. Like that. Okay. Continue. Loans.
Uh, deep, am I audible?
Yes.
Loans, deep understanding of retail loans, that is home, personal, vehicle loans, MSAB and business loans, working capital finance and term loans. And second is knowledge of loan documentation, CIBIL score importance, EMI structures, interest types, which is fixed and floating, fixed oblique floating, and credit appraisal process.
Yeah. Continue.
Uh, Second is sales and business development skills, capability to identify potential clients and cross-sell banking products, set and achieve sales target for deposit mobilization and loan disbursal, maintain and grow the customer base through referrals and upselling.
Actually, some of these may not be required for credit officer, but general qualities in an officer. Continue. Customer relationship.
Uh, Third is customer relationship and retention, build long-term trust and rapport with clients by understanding their financial needs, provide tailored solution and proactively follow up for customer satisfaction. Manage high net worth individual and corporate relationship with professionalism.
Professionalism.
Huh.
Continue.
Second is fourth is credit analysis and risk assessment loans. Ability to read financial statements, assess repayment capacity, and determine eligibility. Under, Understand risk mitigations tools like collateral guarantees and insurance. Ensure proper documentation, due diligence, and compliance with bank credit policy.
Continue.
Fifth is communication and interpersonal skills. Clear verbal and written communication for conveying product features, handling objections and negotiating deals. Active listening and empathetic communication to build client trust. Six is regulatory and compliance awareness. Familiarity with RBI guidelines, KYC, AML norms, and internal bank policies ensure ethical conduct, proper documentation, and legal compliances in all transactions. Seventh, time and portfolio management. Prioritize tasks and manage multiple clients efficiently. Regularly review the performance of customer accounts, deposit maturity, loan EMI payments, etc. Target oriented and self motivated. Ability to thrive under pressure and meet assigned targets for deposit mobilization, SATA growth, or
Passa growth.
loan disbursement. Okay. Motivated to generate revenue and grow the bank's business footprint.
Yeah. Tech.
Tech savviness and digital banking awareness. Use of CRM tools, mobile banking platforms, and analytics for client management. Promote digital banking services, which is UPI, internet, mobile banking, e-statements, etc. Team collaboration and coordination. Work with credit terms, legal department, operations, and senior managers for smooth processing. Participate in branch level marketing activities and lead generation drives. Okay.
Mm.
So should I read attributes
Yeah.
now?
Summary.
Okay, summary. Key attributes of a successful relationship manager, which are product knowledge and why it matters for business growth, which
Hello.
drives. Hello, so am I audible?
Now read properly. Attribute why it matters. Please read.
Okay, okay. So first attribute is product knowledge and why it matters. It offers right financial solutions. Second is sales skills, which drives business growth. Third is customer centric attitude, and it matters for builds long term loyalty and retention. Fourth one is analytical and credit skills, which helps in loan assessment and risk reduction. Hello.
Read.
Regulatory awareness, which ensures legal compliances and avoids penalties. Uh, Sixth is communication skills, builds trust and converts prospects. Tech proficiency enhances efficiency and promotes digital banking. Target orientation achieves organizational goals. And last one is portfolio management, which improves service quality and client satisfaction.
Correct. So now, Supriya, when did you complete your degree?
Degrees are 2020 and PG 23rd.
What is the PG you
to
studied?
MBA Finance.
Oh, acha. So one basic problem for most of us is lack of ability to communicate properly in English. I am not
Yes, sir.
telling Supriya is suffering from that. It is universal problem. It is because we are not talking in English at all. Possibly you
Not
may
really.
talk in Marathi or Hindi in your place. So from today till your interview, please concentrate maximum time available with you for improving your communication skill in English. But if you are deciding to go to Hindi, no problem. So in Hindi also, you try to be in a position to communicate fluently using banking terminologies also. So don't think I am underestimating you. You are likely to be selected provided you show interest in learning things properly and able to develop communicating to others. When did you come to know of our channel? Why did you come after so many days? Supriya.
So, so actually, my cousin sister told me about your channel. It is
Yeah.
a bit late.
She told very late. Acha?
Yes, yes, sir.
That then it is okay. No problem. Thank you. Now we will go for some other questions. And before that, if any of you have some questions to ask, welcome. Mm, yeah. Any question? Anybody?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is Atul. Sir, I am asking about that. I see my degree. So there is mention in the MBA in financial management. So it will be like, is it get any like इससे कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा या कैसे सर?
ना ना वो सर्टिफिकेट को आप हमारा व्हाट्सएप में भेजो.
ओके सर, श्योर.
व्हाट्सएप में भेजो, देख
ओके,
लेगा. सबको ये प्रॉब्लम
श्योर
है.
सर.
या
ओके सर.
नाउ coming to some, see, sometimes in some normal interviews, see, they put up questions like this. See, Central Warehousing Corporation, we were studying for 1 month on all aspects relating to warehousing, Central Warehousing Corporation, then public sector. ASAP we studied. But when the children went there, they asked the question, how many high courts are there in our country? What is the function of Comptroller Auditor General of India? What is the function of Attorney General of India? Like that, they started asking. Sometimes, like that, in bank interviews, we do get all these questions that you see on the screen. This is nothing. It is there. Which page it is there?
Seriously, 5 states and their
No, no,
governors we
no.
have to answer.
Listen. It is there on page number 61 of the year 2023 question I have given you. I am just copying it today. And 1 minute. I am just copying it. 1 minute. Yeah. I am copying it in our WhatsApp group. 1 minute. I am giving it there so that even after the class is over, you can see that and prepare. Now, actually, I'm not going to ask you answers for all these things now. I'm sure majority of us will not be able to answer. For example, I give a challenge. Now, take all these things. Can anyone answer any one question correctly now itself? Please raise your hand. Yeah, somebody raised hand. Please answer me. Atul,
Yes, sir.
which
So
question
first
can you?
5 states.
Uh, tell
Yeah.
me.
So first one is Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and West
And their
Bengal.
chief minister. And their
Then
chief minister.
capitals.
Capitals. So Maharashtra capital is Mumbai. Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. Uh, sorry. West Bengal capital Kolkata. Wait.
Chief Minister. I
I
know
can
you
answer.
cannot.
Okay, so
I know
yes,
you
sir.
cannot.
So
You cannot. You cannot.
yeah.
I can answer capitals of
So
all the states, but not chief ministers.
Chief ministers be कभी कभी पूछ रहे, not always. Atul,
yes,
you
sir.
are
I can
trying
answer
na chief.
Yeah.
four public sector
Yes,
insurance
sir.
companies.
Atul, you try. Chief
So
minister.
I know only the Maharashtra Chief Minister, like the Mr. Devendra Fadnavis.
That is the extent of our knowledge.
Yes, sir.
So, but
Basically, such questions are mostly asked in the SSBs, ni Army or Air Force. Such questions are very frequent there.
no,
No,
these
no,
are
they are
asked.
asked over there
These
also.
are nowadays asked in Federal Bank, South Indian Bank, and many other bank interviews also. I cannot now guess what type of questions will come in Punjab National Bank. Regarding Punjab National Bank, I have given you a video, that is our playlist video. I myself found there are 560 videos in that. Did anyone see that? 560 videos. आपने देखा कई आदमी, any of you, did you happen to go through that 560 videos? There I would have discussed what are the questions asked in such interviews. Of course, I have given such questions in the question credit officer interview, question compilation in the folder itself. From there, you can see this. So, but of course, this is very common among probationary officer level, but this question can be asked for you also. 4 public
So,
sector insurance companies,
yeah, we
4
can answer
private
that.
insurance, and tell me.
The UIIC, NICL, NIACL, LIC.
Hmm.
हो गई सर चारों.
No. Public sector. LIC is not public sector in general
The
insurance.
LIC is, I think, public sector.
Acha,
It's
acha,
wholly.
acha, acha. This question is only for public sector insurance companies. I should alter it as general insurance companies. Then tell me the fourth one.
400. No idea, sir. Only three I know.
United
Oh,
India, National
United India, National
National
Insurance, and National New India Assurance. Only three.
Oriental.
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 Yeah.
Yeah, there are 4. Very good. No problem. I'm not telling you are not good in that. Just for fun only. And there is
Yes, sir.
one guy now doing research in NAPFID. Who is that guy? Has he come here? NABFID. Today, one boy joined and he said he is working in NABFID. बहुत बड़ा organization. उधर में जाने से तो 1.5 लाख रुपया 1,25,000 तलब मिलेगा. There, this boy is working as a research, it seems, research associate. He has not come here. It's okay. No, this type of questions also we must be ready. Now,
Hi, sir.
yeah,
Sorry,
yeah,
there were some technical issues.
yeah,
I have joined.
yeah. What is your name?
Harsh.
Harsh, you are only that NAPFID boy.
Yeah, right, sir.
NAPFID boy. Please tell us about NABFID. It's a general knowledge question for all of us. Tell us
Okay.
a few points about NAPFID. That means where is its headquarters, when was it started, who is the MD and CEO, what are the major functions they are doing, and bas itna hi, or any profit figure if you have, something like that. ये बताने से हो जाएगा. बोलिए हम लोग का. And you are now working as a research associate, correct?
Yeah, that's right, sir.
after completing your MBA.
Right, sir.
Now, what research are you making?
I'll start with the question you asked. So
Yeah, yeah,
NAFED is an
yeah.
yeah. So going sequentially. So it's an AIFI. It was formed in 2021 by Parliament Act of
Can
2021.
you expand AIFI because some of us may
Yeah,
not know
All
that?
India Financial Institutions. So basically,
Okay.
there are five All India Financial Institutions in India, and it
What are
is one
they?
of them, the latest one.
What are they?
They are Exim Bank, they are NHB, and one is NAFED. Two, I'm not able to recall right now, but there are five total.
SIDBI is
Uh,
one. Na? SIDBI is there
the
in that.
SIDBI,
SIDBI is
Export
there.
Import Bank, SIDBI,
Hmm.
NAFED,
Hmm.
NHB, and there was one more thing.
Shall we ask our Google uncle? 1 minute. 1 minute. Hold on. Some of it doubt on a sicko.
NHB.
NHB he told India or all India.
Last one is
बोलिए institutions. I should not forget, but I forget. I'm very sorry because of my
Exim
age.
Bank, sir.
Exim Bank, NABARD, SIDBI, NHB, NABFID.
Yes, sir.
Mr. NABFID, you told some other bank name.
No, sir, I told NHB, I only forgot to cover NABARD. So I was
NABARD,
a little confused whether it is regulatory or AIFI. So that's
NABARD.
the reason.
So
Yeah, NABARD.
I am giving this link in our WhatsApp group so that you can read this article. And this article is telling about the All India financial institutions. Knowing this is certainly useful, but whenever we read such knowledge, we should update our knowledge. For example, name of chairman, etc. It may be old because this is an article written by bankers about 2 3 years back. So we should update that. Now, Harsh, sorry to
Yes, sir.
interrupt. Please continue.
Yes, so it started functioning in 2021. The MD, as you asked, is Mr. Rajkaran Rai. And the figures about the latest sanction target that we achieved was 1 lakh crore. Currently, it is engaging in financing the infrastructure projects, whether be it in the roads, energy sector, or some government institution. So that's a broad idea about NAFED.
Okay, good. Now, what is the research you are doing?
Sir, research as in we do financial due diligence. We analyze companies' statement and regarding whether we should be financing the loan to them. And uh, there is a proper research done on them from the time we are sanctioning them and also part after we have sanctioned them, so that there is no NPA and we regularly checks asset quality reviews.
So
So it's
actually,
the holistic work.
this is a very important area for credit officers. Now,
Yeah.
can you tell what are the points you look into while deciding whether to give finance to a company or not?
So it
Hello.
includes some KYC checks. It includes some their financial ratios. And apart from that, we also check the credit rating they have scored from different organization and other financial covenants such as DSCR, DSRA, etc.
What is it? What is it? Last some abbreviation.
DSCR and DSRA, Debt Service Reserve.
Yeah, yeah. Correct, correct. Excellent. So these are the points. इतना बोलने से हो जाएगा because आप लोग I think you will go behind directors and all that. Um, in fact, that itself is one important question for credit officers. What are the factors you will be looking into before deciding about sanctioning of limits to a party? So like that question is important. You can see that I have given in the chat GPT, or you can also search and get your own answer. NAB FID. Now you are on research. How long is this research allowed?
Can you please come again, sir?
For how long you have been engaged on contract?
Sir, it's been almost 8 months. So, yeah.
It will be for 2 years or 3 years.
No, sir, it's for 1 year and it extends as per performance.
Acha, acha. Very good. Nice. Um, there were a lot of appointments coming recently for NAPFID and all. Were you not eligible for them? Acha, because that required more of credit knowledge, you know?
No, sir, I appeared for it, but its result is due.
Acha, you also appeared for them?
Yes, sir.
Oh, what were the questions asked to you in that interview? And you are a person coming from that organization only. So where are you
Uh,
now? Are you in Delhi or Bombay?
I'm in Mumbai.
Mumbai. Your
Yeah,
NAPFID headquarters also Mumbai only?
yeah, right.
Yeah, please tell what are the questions they asked you?
Sir, in the interview,
Yeah,
so they were asking me about financial ratios, about my past work experience and my MBA journey. So it revolved around that. And there were some basic questions on NAFID.
about NAPFID also. Acha, acha. It seems, oh, were they, you were working before joining MBA?
Yes, sir.
Where were you?
I worked with Royal Bank of Scotland and Wipro.
Ori Baba. Oh, रॉयल बैंक ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड उधर में क्या करते थे आप?
सर इट वाज इनटू यूके बैंकिंग वहाँ पे एक प्रोजेक्ट था जो कि यूके गवर्नमेंट ने दिया था आरबीएस को एंड अदर बैंक्स को तो वी वर वर्किंग ऑन दैट एंड विप्रो में आई वाज इनटू यूएस मॉर्गेज
ओहो, excellent, excellent, excellent. You have seen all types of this thing and all. Good. That's really nice. How do you enjoy NAPFID journey?
So it's a good journey because it was a new area for me because previously I did not have the opportunity to work in this sector. So coming to the new sector, it was like I was learning everything from the scratch and my horizon increased. So yeah.
Can you tell us a few points about credit rating companies? Because day in and day out, you are looking into those things only. Can you tell names of few credit rating agencies and how they rate, how what we can see from that?
So sir, basically they are majorly which rates big projects are
You tell me
clear.
only four. You tell only four credit rating agencies in our country.
Can you please come again?
You tell only four top credit rating agencies in our country.
Sure,
Any
sir.
four. Any four.
Sure, sir. So basically it is Crisil, Care, ICRA, and Brickwork.
Very good. No, brickwork is आजकल काम करते नहीं ना.
सर बेसिकली ज्यादा क्रिस्टल केयर और इंडिया रेटिंग्स का आ रहता है
No, brickwork is not there, Baba. Brickwork, RBI has given instructions that brickwork's ratings need not be taken or should not be taken, something like that. I'm not very sure about it. I know it is a subsidiary of our Canara Bank, but it has had its own death. It's not functioning fully well. You should get the name of another credit rating agency if you have. Doesn't matter. Please tell me this ICRA, CRISIL, what is the other one you said?
केयर
Yeah.
क्रिस्टल
How,
केयर
what are the ratings they give? They give A, B, C, D or what?
सर बेसिकली ज्यादा रहता है इट इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड ए एंड बी सो ए में इट कुड बी ट्रिपल ए डबल ए माइनस और ट्रिपल बी माइनस depending upon whether the asset is operational or not, and who is the sponsor behind the project. If it is sponsored by some good project, by some good company, or whether it is sponsored by some government company, so it helps to increase the rating.
Mhm. No, no. If it is a good rating, means what? Triple A plus.
Yeah, so it is the best rating. तो उसके बेसिस पे फिर जो सारे रेट्स वगैरह होते हैं या बाकी अदर फैक्टर्स होते हैं, इट हेल्प्स अस टू फाइनलाइज द डील और सैंक्शन द प्रोजेक्ट.
Yeah,
सो
your answer was slightly not complete because you never
सर
told
एक्चुअली
me.
आई एम लिटिल कंफ्यूज वेदर आई एम अलाउड टू से एवरीथिंग इन पब्लिक सिंस
No, no, no,
इट
no.
कैन गो
No, no,
पब्लिक.
but talking about in credit rating companies is nothing wrong. It's a universal answer. It is given in the website of the company. समझ गया?
यस सर. यस
We
सर, हाँ जी.
are, we have not talked anything that is not given in the website of your company or other companies. We talk only what is socially shared, but maybe we cannot go deep into your research angle and all that. That's true. That may be
Yeah,
the
I'm
case.
being reserved, little bit reserved,
No, but
since it would be on
yeah,
public platform.
I can agree. Yeah, I can agree. You could have raised this point initially itself also. There is no problem. Anyhow, thank you. Harsh,
Yes, sir.
Harsh,
Thank
one way when we pronounce your name, it is Harsh. Another way when I pronounce, it is
you.
coming as what?
Harsh.
Ah,
Right.
enjoying. Anyhow, God bless you. Yeah, I'm sure you will do well. Please, whenever you are able to attend the classes, attend. Whenever you cannot attend, please watch the videos. They may not contain all that very useful information, but they certainly contain data which will be helpful in your interviews. Okay.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Thank you so much, candidates. I have actually given
Thank you,
time
sir.
for some of the candidate for 8:20 p.m. So let me stop this class with this. Tomorrow being Sunday and also we are going out for some picnic. So there will not be any class for this one. But Monday, I think we can meet. Monday, that is Monday is 30th. 30th, 7 o'clock we can meet. We can be together up to 8:15 or so. So this is what it is. But I will be very happy if you can go through the list of questions given already and prepare your answers for them. Also go through the booklets that have been given to you with answers also. Go through them. Prepare yourself so that you can answer very well. So
So may I ask
best,
a question?
yeah.
So, when you will take the interview, at that time you will ask the question moreover related to personal questions or anything.
No, no, it will be in the first mock interview, it will
Yeah,
be generally based on your college data, your present job experience,
yes,
then
sir.
broad aspects of banking, insurance, some basic GK, and
Basic GK.
basic GK and basic credit. Basic credit,
Okay.
I will ask what is mortgage, what is hypothecation, what is pledge, what is balance sheet, what we can
Yes, sir.
see from a balance sheet. So, what
Yes,
is
sir.
trial balance? What is profit and loss account? What is
Yes, sir.
depreciation? What is
Yes, sir.
goodwill? Like that. ये सब तो पूछेगा. But
Yes, sir. So, but you told
final,
us that in the
yeah,
first mock, I generally ask deeper questions, and in the second mock, I ask moreover related to the interview,
yeah, yeah. No,
like
no,
the
no. That is true. That is true. I will ask general questions in the first. Yeah, I look at it from the candidate's ability. If the
okay,
candidate is capable of answering, like it happened in the case of Harsh, he can communicate well. So I will be going on asking questions.
Yes, sir.
And if it is going to be a case of Mr. X or Mr. Y, where he is struggling to speak and communicate, thoda kam percentage questions aega.
Okay, okay.
That is the same rule even in real interview.
Yes, sir.
And leave alone the question of rating, mark, and all that. So nowadays, based on my estimation, out of 100, 98 candidates get selected out of the people who I consider. Yes, they deserve selection. There are
Yes.
also instances, sometimes 3 out of 10 candidates who I estimate may not get selected, they get selected. I don't know how. समझ गया? It happens.
Yes.
It
Yes, sir.
happens. Probably I am not good in that judgment.
No, maybe sir,
The,
they prepare more after the your mock interview. I
exactly.
got to learn
Exact.
about it.
That is what happened in the case of Federal Bank and all that. The candidates go back and prepare, and sometimes the candidates, out of say a sort of possessiveness, they don't want to answer properly in the interview also, because they think if they answer correctly, other candidates will come to know. So they are all college students. So they don't
Yes, sir.
answer fully well. That is one trend available. We will see how things go on. Thank you so much for coming today. We will meet again on Monday. Monday, it will be only in our, what is that? Zoom. I am more comfortable in Zoom in showing, like that is, say, sharing information and all that. Thank you. Best
Yes.
wishes.